Good morning. This is Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, with the AM Volatility Report. I want to remind everybody that tomorrow, that is tomorrow, the OptionPit Boot Camp begins. Mark and Andrew will be right at it. We'll all be boot camping it up, and we're looking forward to having you on board. And you go to OptionPit.com/begin-camp or OptionPit.com/events to get yourself signed up. Let's talk about the market. Well, we had quite the update today and a complete and utter vol smash yesterday. They came in and just torched VIX. They drove VIX down to near 19. They drove the futures down more than the cash index. Today you got the market down a little bit, but not really much going on in the cash index. Really just kind of a non-event. You've got nothing really happening in the overall market, honestly. It's a slow one after a big up day. When these are good days to have, if you're in the middle of a little bit of a protracted rally, you expect to have kind of some runs with a couple of pause days, with some runs and a couple of pause days, and so on and so on. And I think that's the way everything is set up, is that we've got this potential day where we may pause for a little bit. And that's kind of the way everything is lining up. You've got really everything across the board just kind of moving around. But, what was our big driver? Well, this morning oil was down pretty significantly. It's down some. You can see a couple of percent, but it's not, it's not having the same effect that it has on the market. They're still correlating, but they're not driving things one way or the other the same way that they used to be. The market doesn't control, USO isn't controlling the market. Then if you look at bonds, they continue to be, at least softened off of those crazy highs that we saw. And you can see the dollar is also softening. It's now back toward like below 108. So that's a pretty significant move, given kind of when it's high as 111 and now it's trading 107.5. So a couple of big moves out of kind of currency and bonds. And you can see the one area where there is kind of a move is gold, which continues to be a mover. Gold and TLT continue to move around. And gold is trading at 22 vol and TLT is trading at 14. So I can tell you, if I was worried and I was looking for something to trade and I wasn't sure what to do, and I didn't want to trade in VIX or didn't understand VIX, the cheap premium is in TLT, and it continues to be in TLT. Bond vol has almost continuously been not expensive enough. So that's kind of the area I'd be chasing after if I was looking for a spot to be safe. And on the day, it looks like we may be red on the day, but I don't think anything significantly. It doesn't look like there's gonna be a lot of press. I think today could be one of those days where both SPX and the VIX end up red, and that's generally a sign that we're creeping higher. And kind of the way I think everything lines up. And so with that, I'm going to wish everybody a great day. And I'm going to hope everybody has a lovely afternoon. Again, you can check us out at OptionPit.com/events or OptionPit.com. Read our blog. We do some good blogs every day. And I hope everybody has a great morning.